Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. Sorry for the background noise. My 3D printer is just printing. It's not a fan. But anyway, just want to kind of get into some Milwaukee special buys that Home Depot just put out. So I talked a little bit about Lowe's deals that were coming out for the holidays. And I was just at Home Depot earlier today buying some stuff for the business. And I noticed that they have all their stuff out right now, and I was actually able to pick up a few really great deals for both my business and myself. So if you guys like Milwaukee, I think this might be a good time to go in. You know, they are having a lot of good specials on their power tools. I picked up a set of M12 power tools a little while ago. I still haven't done a video on those, but I probably will. But for today, I want to talk about these tools here in front of me. So, you know, for my business, which is a gutter business, we use a lot of Milwaukee products. You know, even though at home here I use a lot of Harbor Freight and Snap-on, things like that. But you know, Milwaukee, as far as hand tools and things like that, are kind of my go-to for the business itself. One, because they're usually pretty decent quality. Two, they're very easy to go at Home Depot. If something gets lost, we need to replace something. We can stop off at a local Home Depot, which are always going to be fairly close to us. But you know, I kind of things like these speed squares and these tape measures. You know, I go through these quite a bit. So whenever they're on sale, I tend to pick up a few of them. So today, you know, again, I was in for a few other things, but one of the things that I was looking for was tape measures and a smaller speed square. So it was perfect timing. Milwaukee has their special buys out right now, which basically means, you know, when you walk into Home Depot and they have the kind of cardboard displays out that have, you know, a bunch of different tools, that's where this was in. So this is three of the things they were offering. There were also other things like they had some, you know, channel lock looking type pliers, things like that. I believe there were some screwdrivers and other things. But for me personally, this is what I really kind of needed. This one was kind of more of a just wanted to try it out type of thing, the ratcheting screwdriver. But these guys, you know, normally a Milwaukee tape measure is, you know, 25 bucks for one. You know, sometimes they'll have a special where it's two for 20. I know obviously the quality on the ones that are a 2-pack are not necessarily as great as the ones that are just a single. But, you know, this one right here actually happened to come as part of a 2-pack in this special buy. I apologize, I don't have the packaging for this one anymore, but it was actually two of these guys for $19.99. And the nice thing about this one is it, you know, has it's a wider tape measure, or a wider tape here on the tape measure, but it also has it on the bottom, which is great because, you know, when you're working on things like gutters and things like that, sometimes you need to see the tape from the bottom. But another kind of cool thing is that this is magnetic, so if you are measuring something that is metal, and we actually use another tape measure just to kind of show you, is it will, oh wait, I'm sorry, that's actually made of aluminum. That was a fail. Let me grab something else. Here we go. This is metal right here, so it'll actually it'll stick to it like that, and you can kind of go hands free, which is really nice. So I thought, you know, I'd give this thing a shot. So again, it was $19.99 for two of these, so basically 10 bucks a piece. But the great thing about these special buys is that they have a promotion. If you buy 3 of them, you get $10 off. If you buy 5 of them, you get $30 off. So in essence, when you spend 100 bucks, you're going to get 30 bucks off, which makes each set that you buy, if you're buying 5, about $14. So in reality, each one of these guys was $7. This right here was also, you know, $14 for the speed square and the mini speed square. I have a bunch of these already, but I did really need to get a smaller version, so it was nice that it came in this pack. So I bought a couple of these, a couple of sets of the tape measures, and then also this ratcheting screwdriver. I haven't really tried Milwaukee's ratcheting screwdrivers, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So, you know, I'm opening this up here with you guys. I cut it right before the video, but I haven't even had a chance to look at these guys. But the cool thing is it comes with a ratcheting, I'm sorry, they're both ratcheting, but it comes with a stubby and a standard. So let's kind of take a look. And I believe, obviously these are going to be interchangeable. So it's just magnetic right there. You have some bits in the handle. And then let's take a look. I think does it just pop up by itself, or how does this work? Yeah, you just kind of pop it up. So there you go. So now you can see all the bits that come with it right there. I always like it when they have bits on board. And then this is just a ratcheting screwdriver. The mechanism sounds, you know, pretty solid. Reversible and also a neutral position, which is always nice to have. So it comes with this little it's almost kind of like a standard extension, just a little bit smaller, and then a longer extension as well. So let's, why is that not popping in? Let's see if I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I just had it at a bad angle. So that pops in right there. And kind of, you know, I know on Doc's videos, sometimes he'll talk about having a small tool with you know, a longer piece on there, and I do really like having something like this where it's a stubby, but it has, you know, a longer shaft on there. But this one actually, well, that's surprising me. I didn't read this correctly. This one is not ratcheting. This one is just, you know, a regular kind of stubby. I mean, it's nice that they kind of throw this in. So for 14 bucks, you get a ratcheting screwdriver and then a stubby, basically kind of just a bit driver. But they both have onboard storage. This one just has one layer of bits in there, where the bigger guy has 2 layers of bits. But, you know, not a bad little set for the price that you're paying. So, you know, just something to kind of consider. So if you guys happen to be at Home Depot and need, you know, tape measure, you need speed squares, ratcheting screwdrivers, pliers, things like that, I would definitely check out their kind of holiday aisle and take a look at this. I have a feeling this stuff is going to sell out fast for this pricing. And I'll be honest with you, I might actually even go back there tomorrow to pick up a few more things because I was in a hurry when I went there today. So I might just go back and kind of check out to see, you know, what other things that I could potentially use either for myself personally or for the business. So, you know, tell me, you know, what do you guys think of, you know, just Milwaukee hand tools in general? I know obviously their power tools get a lot of love, especially the higher end ones, the M18s, anything brushless, fuel, stuff like that. But I like all of their power tools, to be honest with you. I have still quite a few of the older M12 brush tools, and I've never had a problem with any of their stuff. But their new stuff, their compacts, their subcompacts, like I said, fuel, and anything M18, I've always been very, very impressed with compared to other tools that I happen to have. And I know a lot of the Snap-on guys out there might use Snap-on for their hand tools, but will typically go Milwaukee for their power tools just because, you know, what you're getting for the price, I think, is very, very difficult to beat. So anyways, like I said, tell me what do you guys think about these deals that I have here in front of you. Do you think it's worth about 13, 14 bucks for each of these and for a couple of these? This, you know, I wouldn't sleep on. I actually might go back and even buy a few more sets just to kind of keep in inventory because I think this thing is going to be extremely useful. So, you know, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.